Today's video is very important for those who want to learn about crypto and want to do paper trading and want a best platform to do a paper trading. In this video, I will tell you a best platform for paper trading. This is Binance. Binance is showing paper trading. Just you have to follow these steps. Click on futures. Here you can see that this is my futures wallet, and click on the top right three buttons. Click here. As you can see that these are top right corner three dots, and click here. This is mock trading. As you can see that 1 2 3 and 4th line last word is mock trading. Click on mock trading and continue. After continue, you will find this. Here you can see that I have 1800 USDT. Some of you will get 500, 1000, 1500, 3000, 5000, and so on. For paper trading, you can do practice on this, and you can select these coins as well. Same process. REN coin, cross margin, and leverage is also same. Everything is same, just like real trading. And if you take a position, then you cannot share that. Let's open a trade. I'm opening a trade. For example, I have opened a long trade. As you can see that this is just a paper trading. Okay, just for practice. If you want to do a practice and do practical trading and paper trading, this will help you a lot for learning purpose. As you can see that you cannot share your trade, but you can trade here. Okay, this some have more fluctuations as well, but you can do paper trading. Best platform for paper trading. This is just, if video is helpful, like this video, subscribe our channel. If you want to join our Telegram signals channel, the link is given in description. Join us for daily earning profits.